Here you can see how you can adjust your bridge to the cue as level as possible when you're stroking through the ball. It'll help send the ball in a straighter direction. Here's a look at a closed bridge while addressing the cue ball. You want to make sure you get your cue tip right up to the cue ball as close as possible and stroke straight through with a level cue. Here are a few bridges I've seen people trying to shoot with. You can't shoot with control with your fingers all over the place. Get a nice controlled bridge so that you can stroke the cue stick straight through it.